Hello everybody and a warm welcome to my channel. It's Nikki here. This video is made for the Artsy Second Sunday Hop, and this event is hosted by Martha, I Love to Paint, also known as Ayala Art, and ably assisted by the lovely Mona Creates. Sorry. All links to the other creators will be in the description box below this video and in the comments section below. So what I'm doing here, apart from drawing, you might be able to see by the left side of me there, this is the actual drawing that I am taking this painting from. It's a self-portrait painted in 1926, and it's Frida wearing a velvet dress. So Self-Portrait in a Velvet Dress was an early painting by Frida in 1926, which would have made her roughly about 19 years old. And it was at a time when her relationship with Alejandro Gomez Arias was turning sour. The painting implies the emotional tension that she was feeling at the time, and she painted it as a token of her love. She hoped that this portrait would earn back Alejandro's love. And in this portrait, a self-portrait, Frida is wearing a wine red velvet dress and looks like a princess in it. She painted it in the year following her horrific bus accident in 1925, and it is painted in what they call the European style, which gives her an elongated neck and very fine hands, and she went to paint, you know, the thick bushy eyebrows, which became her iconic signature. And she continued to paint her self-portraits, I believe, in a very similar way. So I'm just going to put on some music now. This 2-hour painting, 2 hours, is sped up really, really fast, so it may come across a little bit jerky in places, so I apologise for that. But I hope you enjoy it, and we will continue on with a little bit of music, and I'll sign off here and say, wherever you are in your journey in life, please do travel safely. I will see you all again very soon. Thank you for watching.